हमारे YouTube चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन बटन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि समय समय पर हमारे वीडियोस आपको मिलते रहें। One of the biggest reason why we read good books is to gain knowledge. Books are rich source of informations. Your imagination works at its best as you try to see things in your own mind. In this video, we will discuss about the books for CSIR NET, GATE, IIT JAM, IAS, mathematics examinations. First of all, I am going to discuss about the books of real analysis. And first book, Mathematical Analysis by Malik and Arora. This is an excellent book for real analysis with colorful pages, and if you want to understand analysis, then go through this book. All the theories explained very clearly. Another book of real analysis is Introduction to Real Analysis by Bartley. This book is extremely great. It starts with basic set functions and ends up to Riemann integrals and some glimpse of topology. All the topics are easily understandable. I will highly recommend this book to beginners and suggest to read line to line for understanding. Major Theory by P.K. Jain is another important book which provides a basic course in Lebesgue measure and integration for PG students and in various competitive examinations, and I can say it is an excellent book for the purpose. Introduction to Topology and Modern Analysis by G.F. Simmons. Also, it covers metric space. It is a useful to cover CSIR NET examination topics in two ways. One is the functional analysis and another is the topology. Overall, book is amazing for PG students and CSIR NET, IAS, GATE examinations. Play with graphs. If you are passionate about mathematics, then it is excellent book which provides complete insight of the world of graphs and gives you techniques to look at the problems in graphical manner. I recommend you to go for this book to visualize different properties of functions like continuity, differentiability, uniform continuity, uniform convergence, etc. Next topic is complex analysis and Foundations of Complex Analysis by Ponnuswamy. It is a good book for basic complex analysis. Every topic explained clearly. Lots of exercises present. Perfect book for beginners to learn complex analysis from starting. It is also helpful for interviews on complex analysis portion and good books for NET, GATE, IAS examinations. I suggest to read this book for good knowledge and basics. Another book of complex analysis is Complex Variables by H.S. Kasana. This book is really helpful for all competitive examinations and university examinations. Basic concepts are defined in clear terms. Overall, it is an amazing book for the purpose. Next topic in CSIR NET, GATE, IAS examination, very important topic, linear algebra. And Soames' Outline of Linear Algebra is the best book. Its content is excellent and good amount of sums are solved to give better understanding of problem solving. It is an excellent book on linear algebra and plays an important role in the preparation of all competitive examinations. Another book of linear algebra by Hoffman and Kunze. This book is the best, especially for the students who are aspiring for JAM, NET, SET, IS examination. This is the most amazing maths book ever. Might seem a bit boring at start, but once you start learning, you won't put it down till you finish. I will recommend this book 100% if you want to master linear algebra. Next topic is abstract algebra and its book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Joseph Galien. This is a must-read book for group theory and ring theory learners. Galien has a very unique approach and can say that nobody can explain abstract algebra better than Joseph Galien. So this book is called Bible of the Abstract Algebra, and 100% you will fall in love with abstract algebra after reading this book. So go for this book. Another basic book of abstract algebra are very easy to understand and with very helpful exercises and covers all the topics of abstract algebra for our purpose is Group Theory by R. Kumar and Ring Theory by R. Kumar. So group theory and ring theory, both topics are covered by this basic book, and I recommend this book for beginners. Next topic, differential equations. Ordinary and partial differential equations by M.D. Rai Singhania. This book covers all topics with bulk amount of questions for who preparing for IIT JAM, NET, IS examination, GATE exam, and you cannot find a better book than this for this paper. Another book, Advanced Differential Equations by M.D. Rai Singhania. If you are preparing for competitive examinations, then you should buy this book because there are lots of solved examples. There are previous years solved examples, questions. It is also contains detailed theory and examples of calculus of variation. So important thing that it also covers calculus of variations. For integral equations, linear integral equations by Shanti Swarup. The method of explaining is very nice in this book. This book is reader friendly and it is written in fluent style, having vast number of illustrations and exercises, and it is very helpful for CSIR, NET, JRF, GATE, IS optional, MSc, PhD, etc. For all examinations, this book is very helpful. For numerical analysis, numerical methods for scientific and engineering computation by M.K. Jain. This book is recommended by many universities for their courses in graduation and PG. Book is interesting with best explanation of theory and problems. I recommend this as best book of numerical analysis for various competitive and universities examinations. Another book is Classical Mechanics by Goldstein. If you master this book, then you have mastered UG PG level classical mechanics. An awesome book on the first course in classical mechanics. It is most famous and recommended book for mechanics. So go for it 100%. If we talk about handwritten notes, so I will say for more achievements, and for activeness of brain and to enhance the learning process, handwritten notes are important material. So collect and write good and effective handwritten notes from authentic institutes and then study and apply on problems. Last year's Questions papers are also very important material. Having good understanding of the theory together with last 10 to 15 year question papers will be enough to achieve the result in CSIR NET examination or GATE examination or IAS optional examination, because last year question papers creates awareness of important topics, teaches time management, also gives self analysis of preparation efforts. So solve 10 to 15 years last year question papers. Keep in mind always this quote of Albert Einstein: do not worry about your difficulties in mathematics. I can assure you mine are still greater. So best wishes, put your best efforts on the exam and go for exam. God will surely crown you with success. My good wishes will always with you. Best of luck and best wishes. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन बटन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि समय समय पर हमारे वीडियोस आपको मिलते रहें। हमारा YouTube चैनल देखने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद। हमारे इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें।